Hey folks, I'm David Mitchell, Butte RCD PBA out here in Butte County in Magalia, and we're doing a little prescribed fire behind me, and just wrapping up ignitions. It went pretty well. Had some really good consumption on the more exposed parts of the fire, and some of the more shaded parts were more patchy, but that's how we build the mosaic on these prescribed fires, and we're gonna hopefully meet our objectives of killing off some of these cedars that are coming in, and killing off some of the invasive grasses, and hopefully encouraging native species to come. The other objective here is to introduce the folks in Paradise and Magalia to the benefits of prescribed fire and how it can be done safely. There's been a lot of trauma in this area with the campfire, North Complex, etc. And we just want to offer people a different relationship with fire, see it as a management tool instead of just a danger. We had some folks out here from the Mechoopda Tribe, the Big Chico Creek Ecological Reserve, and as well as the Butte PBA, which is a volunteer organization, just neighbors helping neighbors put good fire on the ground. And the RCD and Butte Trex, Butte Caltrex is kind of our bunch of different agencies and organizations working together, the Forest Service, CAL FIRE, City of Chico, all different kinds of folks, Plumas Underburn Cooperative, all kind of coming together to be able to get some of these more complex, bigger burns done in the forested areas. And then this is more of a smaller, I would say a PBA burn just for the community, helping a landowner here that lives kind of on the canyon. If you go down this way behind you, it's the Butte Creek Canyon, and it's just loaded with fuels and just very hazardous. You got cedars, Doug fir, and ponderosa pine are generally the big invaders here. So we call them like a native invasive or conifer encroachment. And they're just going to make a super thick forest. They're going to choke out all the black oaks, which were the species that were the dominant species here pre-1850. And so now those trees are getting they're getting choked out by the other trees, and without any fire. The fire is really the management tool that the indigenous folks used here before, along with other things, but primarily being able to do a light, small burn underneath. As you can see, we got flame fights, 1 to 2 feet, very controllable, very manageable. We got tons of resources out here, and we're just honored that you could be out here with us, Joseph.